Toitū te tiriti, toitū te manawa, toitū e ne iwi, toitū te whenua, toitū te tiriti, toitū te manawa, toitū e ne iwi, kia ū ki te kaupapa. Toitū te tiriti, obviously that's uphold the treaty, long live the treaty. A manawa can mean heart, but it can also mean like courage and like being brave. I'm pretty sure. We'll check Māori dictionary after this. So that's also just about our connection as well with the treaty. It's like part of us, you know, it's part of our courage and everything. Nē iwi is talking about the tribes of Aotearoa, how we're all coming together under this kaupapa, which I think is one of the good things of all this is that we have, you know, all come together under kotahitanga and for this kaupapa. Toitū te whenua is like, yeah, the land remains, uphold the land as well. It's also about the connection with everything from the people to the treaty to right now. We stay strong to the kaupapa. We stay strong to the reason why we're doing this. Kaupapa is a hard one to translate. It's just like everyone knows what kaupapa means if you're an Aotearoa, or a lot of people do. But having to explain it, it's tough. But you know what I mean. It's the kaupapa, you know.